Hello everyone, this is Divya Chandwani, your English educator, and I welcome all my lovely and amazing students in today's video where I'll be teaching you first part of two stories about flying, that is his first flight. So yes, my dear students, in next 10 minutes, I'll explain you the entire chapter along with the most important questions of this chapter. So बच्चों, ये कहानी किसकी है? This story is all about this young seagull. अब ये young seagull कौन है? एक छोटी सी bird है जो बहुत ज्यादा डरती है उड़ने से, जबकि इसके जो बाकी पेरेंट्स हैं, जो पापा हैं, मम्मी हैं, भैया हैं और जो उनकी दीदी हैं, जो ब्रदर हैं, सिस्टर हैं, सब लोग बहुत आराम से उड़ पाते हैं. क्या है इस young seagull की कहानी? चलिए जानते हैं दिव्या मैम की जुबानी. So this young seagull, he was very afraid of flying. The young seagull was alone on this ledge. Ledge यानी कि जो पहाड़ का क्लिफ है, उस पे young seagull क्या था बेटा? बिल्कुल अकेला था, कोई नहीं था इसके साथ, क्योंकि बाकी सब तो उड़ चुके थे, लेकिन young seagull को जो है उड़ने में बहुत 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 डर लग रहा था. So that's why he was all alone on this cliff. So now what happened next? Why he was so afraid of flying? So young seagull was afraid of flying because he thought that his wings will not support him. उनके जो wings हैं, उनके जो feathers हैं, वो इस young seagull को support नहीं करेंगे. And at the same time he was very scared of the long stretch of the sea. Sea समुद्र जो है इतना लंबा था, and the depth of the sea, it used to scare young seagull from flying. इस वजह से young seagull को बहुत डर लगता था कि वो उड़ ही नहीं पाएगा. लेकिन जब बच्चों वो अपने ब्रदर, सिस्टर और पेरेंट्स को देखता था, while flying, while diving into the sea, and when they were able to catch their prey, when they used to have all those fish from the sea, ये सब देख के young seagull को बहुत बुरा लगता था. और एक बार तो उसके पेरेंट्स, उसके भाई बहन, कोई उसके पास आए ही नहीं उसकी मदद करने के लिए भी, and he was all alone on that ledge, and young seagull was so hungry, but nobody came to support him, and he thought that I will die here because of hunger, क्योंकि मेरे तो घर वाले भी मेरी मदद करने के लिए नहीं आ रहे हैं. Now next, what happened next? तो एक बार उनकी मदर ने क्या करा? His mother tried tempting him with pieces of fish. अब बेटा tempting का मतलब क्या होता है? tempting मतलब किसी को ललचाना. तो उनकी मदर चाहती थी यंग सीगल जो है उड़ना सीख जाए, लेकिन वो अटेम्प्ट लेते ही नहीं थे, वो कोशिश ही नहीं करते थे उड़ने की. सो उनकी मदर ने क्या करा कि यार भैया मेरा बच्चा भूखा है, क्योंकि 24 hours had passed and nobody came near him. वो अकेले बैठ के बहुत परेशान हो रहा था. He thought that I will die because of hunger and starvation. तभी उनकी मदर ने क्या करा? वो एक फिश का पीस लेकर आई, and she started doing, उन्होंने अपने पैर से उसको तोड़ना स्टार्ट कर दिया ताकि यंग सीगल ये देख के और टेम्प्ट होगा. एंड ऑफ कोर्स बच्चों ऐसा ही हुआ. यंग सीगल अपनी भूख नहीं रोक पाया because he was so hungry. Nobody had even contacted him for last 24 hours. और उन्हें इतनी भूख लग रही थी, उसे लगा कि एटलीस्ट मेरी मदर तो मेरे पास आएंगी और मेरी हेल्प करेंगी. बट इवन शी डिड नॉट कम क्लोज टू हिम. एंड when she was trying to tempt the young seagull unintentionally just took his first flight. क्योंकि उन्होंने क्या करा? वो आगे की तरफ bend हो रहे थे so that his mother will give him that fish bite, but that did not happen. उनकी मदर तो पीछे हो गई and young seagull fell from the ledge. वो जो पहाड़ का जो वो cliff था, वहां से young seagull नीचे गिर गया. and he was so scared that when he was going down, he felt that his mother is going up. वो नीचे की तरफ गिर रहे थे और उनकी मम्मा जो है, जो मदर सीगल हैं, वो ऊपर की तरफ उड़ के उनके पास से निकल रही थी. and he was so scared that he thought that I am going to what will happen? I'll sank in the sea and I will be dead. So that was these were the thoughts that were going on in young seagull's mind. लेकिन तभी क्या हुआ बच्चों? What happened next? At that point of time, he finally made his first flight, because what happened? He felt the wind rushing against his breast feathers. He could feel the wind going against, उनके breast feathers के against वो जा रहा था. He could feel the wind under his stomach, and he felt the wind in his wings also. So at that point of time he understood, he realized that I am a bird, I have wings, and they are going to support me. So wings were supporting him, and this is how he made his first flight, my dear students. And there was a joyous scream that was heard all over. That was gaga, gaga, gaga. That was a joyous scream. That was a joyous sound that was, sung by the young seagull himself. And the sound that was made by, his mother was, "Go call her." And that was said by, this joyous scream was created by, or that was, sung by his mother. And gaga, gaga, gaga was said by the young seagull. That was a joyous scream, यानी कि खुशी वाली जो चीख होती है वो निकली. And everybody was so happy in his entire family that they all surrounded him, and this, young seagull was in the center, and everybody was making a circle around him, and everyone was so happy that finally the young seagull made his first flight. Then he was scared that he will not be able to catch his prey, catch his fish, but it was gradually he was able to do that also. Earlier he thought that he will sank in the sea, वो डूब जाएगा, उसके पैर जो हैं, उसके जो wings हैं, वो उसे support नहीं करेंगे. But then gradually he learned that also, कि जैसे ही उसने बेटा sea के अंदर अपने पैर डाले, उसे लगा मैं डूब जाऊंगा. But slowly what happened, he started floating in the sea, and he was also able to catch some dogfish like his brothers and sisters. And everybody was very happy in the family that young seagull finally made his first flight. And my dear students, because of this chapter, your book's name is also First Flight. Now let's talk about some very important questions, and these are the questions which have already come in your boards also. So let's quickly discuss them and let's have a look at these questions. First question is very, very important. Why did the seagull's father and mother threaten him and cajole him? If you're not able to understand the question, let me explain that to you. बेटा इसका मतलब ये है कि young seagull जो थे, उसके father और mother उसे डरा क्यों रहे थे, इतनी धमकियां क्यों दे रहे थे. And cajole का मतलब क्या होता है? Why they were persuading him. Persuading यानी कि कुछ ऐसा किसी को manipulate करना by commenting or by taunting that person. तो cajole is basically used in a negative sense. तो cajole क्यों कर रहे थे? Why they were threatening him? So आप क्या लिख सकते हैं बेटा? यहाँ पे एक तो आ रहा है did. That means verb's second form is used. That means it is in simple past tense. So your answer should be in simple past only. So what will you write? The seagull's father and mother, they threatened him and cajoled him. D लग जाएगा इनके पीछे. Threatened him and cajoled him because he was afraid to take his first flight. He thought that he won't be able to fly, and they cajoled him, threatened him, so that he will take his initiative to fly. And what his mother did, his mother basically tempted him with the piece of fish, so that finally he took his first flight. So उन्होंने क्यों धमकाया, क्यों threaten किया, cajole किया, so that he'll take his first flight. His brothers and sisters, they all were flying and catching their prey, but he was not doing any of it. So according to his parents, it was required ताकि वो अपनी first flight ले. So that is the reason that they cajoled him. तो आप क्या लिख सकते हैं? The seagull's mother and father, they threatened him, cajoled him, because the young seagull was afraid to take his first flight, and his mother even started tempting him with the pieces of fish, so that he will get the motivation, or because of hunger and starvation he will take his first flight. Okay, next question. Why was the young seagull afraid to fly? Initially young seagull afraid क्यों था बेटा fly करने, क्यों इतना घबराया हुआ था? So what you can write down, आप कैसे लिख सकते हैं इसका आंसर? The young seagull was afraid. आप जो helping verb आपको mentioned है, आप वही use कर लीजिए ताकि कोई गलती ना हो. The young seagull was afraid to fly. Why he was afraid to fly? Because he thought his wings will not support him, and he was very scared when he saw the far stretched sea, and he was also scared of the depth of the sea. तो क्यों डरा हुआ था? The young seagull was afraid to fly because he thought the wings will not support him, and the sea was vast and too deep, so that's why he was afraid to fly. So on this note, we have completed the entire chapter, that is 2 stories about flying, part 1, his first flight, and some important previous year questions. तो अगर बच्चों आपको ये छोटा सा वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगा तो जल्दी से इसे लाइक कर दो. डू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. एंड आर यू एक्साइटेड? शैल आई डू दिस सीरीज एंड डू यू लाइक इट? क्या मैं फटाफट से नेक्स्ट पार्ट ले आऊं, दैट इज पार्ट 2, जहां पे हम पढ़ेंगे अबाउट Dakota aeroplane. So do let me know in the comment section and subscribe to Unacademy 9th and 10th. Thank you.